Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video we are doing the first off-road of my newly lifted Cherokee now. And as you can see, I just installed my 3.5-inch lift, and we are going to be heading out to Liberty Avon Road, where it's early spring, early summer right now, and there's a lot of beautiful wildflowers about, and it's gorgeous out here. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, I'm at the end of 3 Mile Canyon Road. I'll put that in the description, link to a map to the trail. But it dead ends here at this road. It used to go up and you could drive over to Inspiration Point from here, but it's since been closed and private property. But right where the road dead ends is this beautiful field of wildflowers. Hopefully the colors are showing up nice on camera, but it's just a big old field of purple flowers with yellow ones over there and some snowy mountains in the background. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. Alright guys, I'll do just a quick explanation of my lift. It's a 3-inch lift from Rough Country paired with a bunch of other parts from Rusty's Offroad. If you have any questions, comment down below and I will try to answer them to the best I can. And if you want to see some product links on what I have installed, check the link in the description and that will pull up a bunch of products that I used on this Jeep when lifting it. But yeah, it's a 3-inch lift on 31-inch tires now, and it looks amazing. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later!